Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and tonight, February 10th, marks the 61st Grammy Awards. And of the award shows, I think the Grammys are my favorite. I think that's because I just like the music so much and I like the performers, and the categories are good. But this year for Best Album we have like Post Malone, there's like Best Song for like Shallow. Now the award show focuses on music, so today the one thing an artist needs is a microphone. So today we are going to be making a simple microphone inspired treat in honor of the Grammys. They're going to be ice cream cone microphones. Hey, that's funny. Or it could be like microcones or icecrophones. The ingredients for this recipe are, I just love using this thing, vanilla ice cream, black candy melts, sugar cones, and some silver sanding sugar. This next step is totally optional, but I actually want to dye our vanilla ice cream a like light gray color, kind of to match the top of the microphone. To do this, I'm just taking a little bit of black food coloring and mixing it into our ice cream. I put our ice cream back into the freezer so that it can set up, because when we mix it together, it kind of thaws out. But now we can start to dip our cones. I just melted down our black candy melts, and we used a similar technique when we made our New Year's Eve treats. What we're going to do is start by taking our ice cream cone and completely dip the tip into your bowl. Then place it on a sheet of wax paper to harden. Once the top of your ice cream cones have hardened, then carefully pick them up and dip the bottom. Then place back on your wax paper to dry. We've dipped all of our ice cream cones in our black candy melt, but there's one more thing I want to do, and that's when we dip it, we kind of get these two tones. And when our fingers touch the top, it kind of becomes matted. So what we want to do is complete the look of the cone and make it completely smooth. To do this, I've got a lighter. You could use any type of flame. And we're just going to lightly take that heat and brush over any of the matted surface. So all of our ice cream cones are covered in our black candy melts. And over here we have our ice cream. So now we can start to assemble these. Start by taking your ice cream and place a big scoop right on top. Once you've added the ice cream to your ice cream cones, the last thing we want to do is to dip the top into some silver sanding sugar, kind of to give it that like wiry effect. And here we have our microphone ice cream cones that we made today in honor of the Grammys, which air tonight. These are a fun treat and super easy to make. They're also super customizable because artists constantly recreate their microphones and customize them, so you could totally do the same. They're a perfect treat for birthday parties or a treat for a concert. If you do happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. This is just so good, it almost makes me want to do a mic drop. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here is my newest video where I made some Lego Movie 2 inspired treats. And down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Thursday.